I have a speaker here that was badly damaged in shipment. You can see the tears that are in this speaker. I'm going to repair it using a used dryer sheet. After they've been run through the dryer, all the whatever they put in it is gone, and it's a pretty strong fabric. So I've got a little piece that I'm going to put right in here, and I'll start my repairs right there. And I'm going to use service cement, which I keep wrapped up pretty tight because when the solvent evaporates, it's no good. But this is a product that's been used for years for repairing these things. First I'll apply some on the original part of the fabric of the speaker. And then we'll put this in. You can see an area, an area right here where the black isn't showing through. There's actually some missing original fabric right there. I may have to put a little bit more around the edge of that. I'm just going to cut some more pieces and kind of work this large repair, and we'll see how it goes. There's some small tears over here that I may not put any fabric on. This area here on the back side is really ripped, and I'm going to probably bring this together in sections. I can't do it all at once. I'm going to let this dry, and then we'll work on putting some more of the other pieces back in. I'm going to put it in something like what you see right there. And that's all there is to it. Didn't hardly use up any juice. Okay, that area is kind of dry right now. I've cut another piece that I'm going to try to put in right about here. Trying to get the underneath area coated well. Trying to hold that back side in with my finger when I push the paintbrush down on it. Just trying to work it around and get it all blended in and in full contact with the paper that's underneath. We're making good progress here. It's already looking a whole lot better than it did just a few minutes ago. So we'll let this dry and finish it up. Okay, we're getting ready to put in the last piece. I've got it cut. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good fit to go right in there. And just get a better idea of where I need to smear my adhesive. Since the edge of my repair is so close to the rip right here in the speaker, I'm going to put just another small patch right here.